New school years can be stressful, so we here at the Tenney School want to give you some tips on how to get the new year started off right. So stay tuned for more details. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment this video. If you enjoyed it, follow our YouTube page, and you can go here to see a video about student procrastination and tips for parents. So one thing that can relieve your stress with the new school year starting out is to map your day. So if you can get a copy of the school map and figure out where you're going from class to class, you can get it more organized in your head where you need to go and how you need to get there. Don't be afraid to ask for directions either. There'll be teachers in the hallway, they'd be happy to help you, or ask another student. If you are a returning student, it'd be a good way to meet new friends to offer to help others that are looking to find their way around school. A second tip is to think through the essentials that you'll need for the first day. A lot of schools will send out a school supply list, but you won't really know what you're going to need for each class until you've met your teacher for the first time. But there are some things that you know that you're going to need. You're going to need a backpack. You're going to need binders, you're going to need pens and number 2 pencils, and maybe a highlighter to help you with your textbooks. In terms of backpack, make sure that you get one big enough for your classes and your books. Keep in mind as you get older in school, you're going to have bigger books and more of them, so you need a bigger backpack, unless you're at a school that uses digital textbooks only, where you won't need as big a backpack. Another tip that I like to say for the first day is to plan on bringing your lunch. So the lunchroom can be a really stressful time if you don't know what the food is or you're not sure what you'll want to eat. So relieving the pressure of that part of the day can help you just have less anxiety overall by bringing your lunch. Maybe most importantly is to look at establishing good study habits for the year. You'll want to block out a time right after school where you have the most energy, where you can do your homework. Even if you don't have homework on the first day or a lighter load, make sure to establish that pattern of using that time for studying and homework. Establishing good habits at the beginning can give you a lot of momentum through the year. Conversely, if you get off to a rocky start on your study habits, you may fall behind and be in catch-up mode all year. So make sure to pay attention to getting off to good study habits for the year. Starting a new school year is an exciting time for students, staff, and parents as we get into our new routines and we meet the new teachers and students that we're going to be with for the year, but it also can be filled with anxiety. Being prepared ahead of time can go a long way to getting you started off on the right foot. While these tips are great for the beginning of the year, be sure to focus on finishing the year strong and establishing good habits that will last the whole year. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell if you want to be notified when we post the next video. Check out the notes in the description page if you want to learn about the power of one and what we do for students. See you on the next one.